online classes, segment 1, segment 2. I'm staying to the outside of the J turn because I have to go all the way over to the right. I do not want to cut to the inside of this car and be cut off. I'm going up to the edge, checking traffic. I yield, but if I can't see, I'm going to let down my window, which I did. And I'm just going to be patient. And I'm going to wait deliberately, like a beginning driver, being patient. There's a car behind me, but I'm not worried about that. Don't let other cars put pressure on you. And you can hear the cars, the light's yellow. I'm making sure they're slowing down. It just turned green, then I proceed with caution. I just gave you a teachable moment. Don't rush when you take your test. I'm coming up, making a right turn.
500 feet.
My
turn
blinker.
right onto Beach Daily Road.
Sorry, my computer is talking.
Onto Beach Daily
I want to
Road.
see the rear of the tires on the ground. If you can't see the rear of the tires, that is the deduction. I'm making a right turn. I'm looking to the left. My blinker's on. The DMV tester, road tester, has to see you look. Turn hand over hand into the nearest lane. Turn out hand over hand. That was a nice turn. I'm going to get over one lane to the left, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. We're coming into a school zone. You have to reduce your speed. Kids are excited, parents are excited. If you watch my content yesterday, there was an accident. I'll upload that. So I'm reducing my speed, I'm taking my time, being patient. You have a solid yellow line and dash lines in the middle. What does this mean? This is for left turns only. I'm getting in because the line is broken. That's where the line is. I'm going up and I squeeze my brakes real easy. This is an unprotected left turn. Left turns are the most dangerous because you have to turn in front of oncoming traffic. Again, if you just popped in, I strongly suggest you watch this till the end. I'm going over the knowledge test and I do road test prep. I'm a state certified instructor. I turn into the nearest lane, but we're by a school zone. So now I'm being very careful.
Calculation.
I'm taking my time. Kids are being dropped off pedestrian crossing. I'm reducing my speed.
500 feet. Turn right onto Olympia.
I'm being very careful. I'm scanning. I'm looking ahead. I have to be aware.
Take the next right
And you're going to see me do a 3-point turnaround. My left blinker's on. And I turn to the left. And then you're going to see me reverse. On your DMV tester road test, you cannot use your backup camera, but you see me straighten up my wheels. You see me looking at the telephone pole. Oh, I'm in the middle. So I'm going to have to reverse and get in. And don't panic. There is a car there, but you